Now you may wonder what expanding is. If you think about the meaning of the word expanding, it means kind of to make bigger. And that's what expanding is in algebra, is taking like a smaller expression and writing it in a longer form. So to do that, you'll see the note here on the right hand side. Multiply the term attached to the outside of the bracket by each term inside the bracket. So let's have a look at an example to see what that means. So we multiply the term outside the bracket by each term inside the bracket. So we go 2 times x, which is 2x, and then 2 times 6, which is 12. So we go, the answer is 2x plus 12. So we times the thing that's directly attached to the bracket, the term, which in this case is a 2, by each term inside. So here's our next example. We've got g bracket h plus 6, and then closing off the bracket. So we start off by going g times h, which is just gh, and then g times 6, which is plus 6g. Remember the numbers, the coefficients, come before the letters. Then we have the third example. So we start off by going 3 times 2x. So we just times those two numbers together. 3 times 2 makes 6x. And then 3 times, take note of the sign in front, minus 5 gives us minus 15. Finally, this is a bit more of a tricky one. We've got negative x. So the sign in front of the term or the number or the letter is directly attached to it. So we got negative x times by x. So a negative term times a positive term is going to be a negative term. So it's going to be negative x squared. And then we got negative x times negative 2. So negative times a negative. So we're going to have a positive. And it's going to be positive 2x.